This is the presentation of ClassHopper brought to you by the group Dataminers. The purpose of our application is to help students plan their class schedules, allowing the students to enter the course number or the CRN of the course, and warning students if the time allotted between the classes is shorter than the time it takes to walk, drive, or bike from one class to the next. Additionally, if you want to grab something to eat throughout the day, you may add a nearby restaurant and it will place into your schedule at the most convenient time.
So let's say we have a law class. So in the search courses bar, we'll type in Law 301 and it'll auto-generate under. You click it and it displays in your UI under the Monday tab, the Wednesday tab, and the Friday tab. Now, let's say we have CS 411. Re-enter that, and on Tuesday, under the Tuesday tab and the Thursday tab, it appears. Now let's add another class. Let's say we want to enter a CRN. We can do that as well. So we enter this and the class appears. The class will appear under the law class on Mondays. And as you can see, the route on the left-hand side of the screen shows the route from the CS building to the law class. And it also displays in between the two classes how many minutes it takes to get from the first class to the next. Now, let's add one more class. And we have a full schedule for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, you also can erase classes by just simply pressing the X above the class. Now, let's say on Monday you want to go to a restaurant. You'll type in Subway into the search restaurants bar, and it'll insert that restaurant in between the two classes if there's enough time. As you can see, it maps the route from each one, and it displays the time it takes to get from to each destination. Let's say we have two classes that are close together. For example, CS 498 on Mondays and Wednesdays at 10, and ECE 329 at 9 a.m. Now, if I type in Subway, it'll insert under each class because there's not enough time in between classes to go get a snack at Subway. Now, let's say I want to add a law class at 10 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But we will get an alert message that says time conflict. You have special topics on Wednesdays. So you can't enter that class. Now, let's say that our first class is Law 301. And our next class is CS 242 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Now, you see that it maps the route, but it has 14 minutes in red. This signifies that it takes too long to walk. It takes 14 minutes to walk from this class to this class, but it's only 10 minutes in between the classes. Now, let's say we want to drive. Now, it's not red anymore because now you can get from the first class to the second class in 4 minutes, and you have 10 minutes in between the two classes.
Because of frequent construction on campus, it would be convenient for an administrator to be able to add new buildings to our database. For example, if we want to add a building, we'll enter a unique ID, 123, a building name, Whitney, a building latitude of 88.5, a longitude of 83.5, and hit add. It says success, and when we go to search the building, it appears. Next, if we'd like to edit the building, we'll simply edit here the latitude value and the longitude value, hit edit, we'll receive a success, and when we search again, we'll notice that the data has been updated. Finally, if we'd like to delete, we can add the data again, hit delete, we see success, and when we search again, the item has been removed.